Hello, scrappers. Thought I'd try out the GoPro today. Ordered an accessory kit and got chest mount, so we're going to try that. Reason I'm doing it is with the head mount, sometimes I tend to turn my head a lot, look around, and you know, everything whizzing by, it kind of messes with the guys with vertigo. I tore down a bunch of motors the other day, and I got all this cast aluminum off the ends. So I thought I'd go through a little of that, clean it up. I rigged up this little deal here. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's just a piece of channel. And I took a flat plate and mounted it on the side of the toolbox. And I can stick those lids in here like that. And that pops right out. And then we just still have a piece inside, so I'll take the find the punch here. There it is, and I'll get the little hammer here. Knock that right out. Yeah, that piece is trying to get away, of course. Yeah, that looks pretty clean now. So let's check it with a magnet. Yep, nothing sticking. Yeah, one reason I didn't use a GoPro, another reason I didn't use it a lot is so that's what I was trying to avoid by using that, by having pushed down like that, because I figured sooner or later it was going to slip and hit me. That won't fit in the channel though. So, okay, this has got a little insert in there. And we still have this piece. Now I can probably stick it in that channel here to kind of help hold it down. Get under that lip and try to pop it up. There we go. Need to get a little pick here. Pull that out. You can see that steel ring there. Magnet sticks. So I'll get my little thing here that I made. Get my hammer. Put that on the edge. And that is now clean, even with all the lint on it. Yeah, the screen on the GoPro went dark. I don't know if screensaver or what, but I guess it's still recording. I'm looking over here at my monitor. If I walk over here, you can probably see it right there. But I thought I'd play around with this GoPro a little bit and see how it does. I took it off of 1080p because the file sizes were just so large. It took forever to upload. I think in 14 minutes it'd be about a 4 gigabyte file. So it'd be uploading all night. Which that won't make any difference here soon if they ever get my not DSL, I got DSL, but if they get the fiber internet in here. I'm waiting. But I'm wanting to get something with the external microphone. Been looking at a few cameras, but some of them are way over my price range right now. So I'm kind of looking at the GoPro Black's Hero 7. This is a Hero 7 white. And then so they got some external microphones and whatnot, and you're able to do that with that model. This white, you can't hook a mic up to it, unfortunately. And I got this white almost a year ago. I used it a little bit. Another one of the reasons I quit using it was, like I said, the guys with vertigo. And so trying to do what I can for my subscribers and viewers, make sure that they can watch the video without a lot of problems. Okay, it's already got a hole through it, so I'm going to have to try to get off to the side here and knock it from the side. Yeah, it's just kind of tearing that up, so that might be a little... I may have to end up cutting this and see how that does. But I thought with this chest mount I wouldn't be spinning around quite as fast and give these people motion sickness. But a lot of times I like holding stuff up against my belly while I'm working too, so you know how that goes. Some of the other big guys on there, they know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that is not wanting to pop loose. So, I know this GoPro's got a heck of a mic in it anyway. I never realized how hard I breathe sometimes until I started using the GoPro. Yeah, I'm just cutting through a little ways there. And one thing I was noticed in the settings too, for the 1440p, it wasn't going to be widescreen. It was going to be more the box. So I hope the viewers don't mind on that. Been getting kind of low on stuff to tear down. I've been doing a lot of cleaning in here, getting a lot of little stuff. I still got a couple air conditioner units over here. You can see them stacked up there, and I got that overhead projector. I guess you can see that over in the corner. And I got, let's see, I'll bring it up here. Outside, if you can see it out there, I got 2 TVs, a computer monitor, which I might try to tear those down. I still have a video of a TV that I recorded here, oh, I don't know, 2 months ago. That's clean now. But one of these days when I don't have time, I'll upload that. But it hasn't been that long since I uploaded one of a TV, so I'm almost thinking about kind of doing a little bit of what the Canadian treasure hunter does, and just have general tear down and of whatever I happen to be tearing down at the time. I think this cap here is going to be, it fits. Trying to get stuff into this old can. Of course, I don't know, get that thing full, it might be too heavy to lift. But my other bucket here is getting pretty full too, so I need to go dump it on the trailer out there. Okay, and we still got another steel insert in there. Magnet sticking. Yeah, I'm probably getting low on battery power on this too. I was playing around with it. I had it plugged in where it was supposed to be charging, but yet it was showing battery power went down from 51%, I think, to 46. So I'll probably have to keep this video kind of short anyway. But this here was just 2 electric motors that I cut them down on the side to get the motor out of there, and I ended up welding it back together and welding them together. That way, anytime I get any of the solid pieces that are stuck in there, I can put it over there and knock them in. So it comes in handy. If you have no fire extinguisher, I guess you could probably cut the top out of it or something, and that would work. And that's clean. So the red bucket there is clean, and the blue bucket I still have to clean. I want to run outside here real quick, and my wife wanted to run up to the city, to Dollar Tree, and pick some stuff up. So I thought, well, I'm going to run by the transfer station real quick and see what they've got. I got down there, and they used to have, last time I was down there about 3 months ago, they had a big pile. But I went down there, they had a new attendant, and I mean, well, there was nothing. There was just piles and piles of branches from that storm. But they had this mower over there, so I said, okay, I'll grab it. And then another guy pulled in, and he had a mower on his trailer, so I grabbed this one. I hope you guys are seeing this. According to my camera, it's real dark. And another guy come in and had the dishwasher, so I thought, well, I still got 2 dishwashers to tear down, and they're kind of time consuming, and then I got to cut the tub up, but I'll grab it anyway. So I picked up a little bit of stuff today. I don't want to go too much into a lot of detail of what I got right now, but I still got 2 dishwashers over here in this pile. I got this old freezer to tear down. But I got that trailer staged. I'm going to put the ramp up there, and probably I might try to get out here tomorrow and get some stuff done. I got a stack of radiators, aluminum radiators over there. I got to clean up in one of these days. And this trailer here, I'm just going to try to throw little stuff on, and hopefully it won't be totally impossible to unload. But hopefully I can get up there and they have the equipment to unload it. If not, I'm going to be there a while. But it does tilt, so that'll kind of help. And I'll probably put a couple wash machines on the back to kind of help hold the stuff in. And probably a sheet of tin, or I got this little piece of furnace over here too I can throw in there. Throw that in the middle to kind of plug the hole up. So, and then I got to get around, get this thing cut up and out of here, and then try to get that little pneumatic jack up here and see what I can do with it. But I guess I'll go ahead and call it quits for the video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you know, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe, and hit that notification bell too, and you'll see any new videos I put up as I put them up. So, gets cold again, I'll be coming back in here where I've got the furnace. I've got a whole basket full of little stuff here, as you can see right here, that I need to go through. Yeah, I was thinking the other day, it's kind of almost pointless having this bucket shelf where I can sort stuff out, be out of the way, and not have buckets all over the floor. And all summer long, I'm in the other room. I still got 3 microwaves here that have been here since last spring, or in here last winter. So, but I got another pallet out here. Yeah, here's my melting area. I've got a pallet over there. I think you can probably see it through the tall grass. It's got about 4 or 5 microwaves on. But yeah, that's another thing. I got this big old grill here. I gotta get out here and cut up one of these days. I'll probably have to get the forklift and try to drag it around, or not the forklift, but the tractor. Put the forks on it, see if I can't drag it around over there. But I'm gonna have to get some more acetylene first. And I got junk everywhere. I got all these workbenches and I can't use them. They're all cluttered. But that's another story, another problem. I'll get them cleaned off one of these days. Winter's coming and scrapping will slow down, kinda. Yeah, I gotta take this out, this wheelbarrow out, and throw it in. Kind of shows what I've been working on. I got this chair down here at the bottom, the aluminum. Oh, that's what this is off of. I took the bandsaw, cut them off. So now I want to cut about here. See, because I don't know if I can get that plastic out. I don't know if that piece is in there, if that's ferrous or not. Let me check. Yep, magnet sticks. Unfortunately. Well, what I did with the other 2 legs, I cut it off right about here, and I threw this piece out there to be melted, and then this piece here went in the cast. So I'm going to get off here, call it quits for this video. Battery's probably about to run out on this thing anyway, so you can see the monitor. That's how I kind of know. Try to make sure I got it, whatever I'm doing is in view. Be nice if I could flip this. I may have to look at it, see what I can do. But this is almost a 15-minute video already. That's nice. I like that counter on there. So we'll get off here, you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. So happy scrapping.